On January 15th, Memphis Light Gas and Water held an MLK Day of Service to honor the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. The event was held in the historic Douglas neighborhood. MLGW employees arrived at the Douglas Community Center at 7:30 in the morning to put together 350 energy kits that were distributed to residents via a drive-through line.
In Douglas, we have a lot of older homes. A lot of these homes here are 50 plus years old. And so we, more than anybody, need to learn about weatherizing our homes to reduce our energy bills. And having this beginner's kit is just the start for a lot of us to learn the little things we need to do to keep our homes comfortable and keep our energy bills down.
Thank you for coming out today. All right, have a good one. I love you,
It's even more special because Dr. Martin Luther King most definitely was for the people, and to be able to help the people on today just makes it even more special.
So, MLK was all about serving, so to be able to serve on MLK Day, around MLK Day is more important to me. To let them know we're still here, we're still serving, we're still living out the dream.